beautiful ladies. So here I come for the first day of our 21 days challenge. If you're new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. My name is Subia. I'm a professional makeup artist. So I have a mission of educating more than thousands of women in the makeup who can't afford for the heavy range prices. I mean the courses and everything. I'm here to help each and everyone by my knowledge for free on YouTube for next to 21 days. Next to 21 days for my 21 days challenge details, you can watch my video which is uploaded previously. You can go and watch the whole video for the all the details. Okay, to start with today's class, let me just quickly introduce about what is the meaning of makeup. Okay, most of the people have that makeup can change their whole face, they can make them look fairer and everything. Many people have a different definition for makeup. For me, the definition for makeup is beauty enhancement. For me, it is beauty enhancement. Okay, what is this beauty enhancement now? Okay, this beauty enhancement is such a thing that it can hide your flaws and it can make you look natural and beautiful in your own ways. It shouldn't change you. It should make you look beautiful in your own way. When we were born, we didn't have all these flaws. We didn't have any pigmentation. We didn't have any, the pimples or any pimple marks. We didn't have anything. Okay, when we were we started growing up, what happened is, again we started getting this pimple marks, under eye pigmentation, this around the mouth pigmentation, everything. So it made our beauty little bit come down, but we are beautiful, still we are beautiful. Makeups gives us this one to make ourselves look beautiful. Okay, to start with the makeup, first we have to understand what are the basic steps of the makeup. When you don't know the steps, you can't do any kind of the makeup which doesn't have any kind of problems or anything. To start with, let me introduce, it is little bit of theory knowledge, but if you know this theory knowledge, then you can process further for any kind of other the topics and all. If you understand this knowledge, then only further you can just understand that what are the problems in makeup and how to overcome all the problems in each and every day. A part wise, I'll be covering all the things, so you have to be attentive. You have to make the notes of each and every. So you have to be attentive, you have to make the notes of each and everything what I'm going to explain you and each and everything. Okay, to start with, we have to know our skin type first. What is the skin type? You don't know what is your skin type. You're just seeing the other people's doing the makeup, you're just following and you're just copying the same makeup and doing. Why you're not getting the results like that? Why you're not getting because you don't know what is your skin type. To understand, to become a professional makeup artist, first you should understand the basic steps. The basic step is, first you should know what is the skin type. Okay, to start with, there are 5 skin types. Okay, one is dry, sensitive, oily, combination, normal. There are 5 skin types. In this, the steps for each and every skin type is different. These are the 5 skin types. Now to start with you have to do the makeup. Now to start with makeup, you should know the basic steps. What are the basic steps for this? How to prepare the skin. If you prepare the skin, then only you can give the decoration on that. To prepare a cake or something, they prepare a base, then only they decorate that cake and all. For that reason only, the cake will just stay strong. It will just give you that each and everything. If the base is not strong, if you're making each and every kind of decoration on that, it can't stay. Likewise, for this also, preparation of the skin is main important thing is preparation of the skin. How to prepare your skin now? How to know what is your skin type? You know there are 5 skin types. Now you don't know what is your skin type. To know what is your skin type, it is very easy. If you are a dry skin people, what happens is your skin will be peeling and you will feel a itchiness on your face, and this area and everything, this areas will be too much of this one, the dryness will be more. You can feel that. If you have that, then your skin is dry. If your skin is sensitive, then whatever products you're choosing or applying, it gets a reaction, it creates an allergy or some or the other reaction on the face, then it's called as a sensitive skin. When you go for the oily skin people, what happens is, if you just wake up in the morning, take a dry tissue and dab the dry tissue on your whole face and see whether the any oil has come out in the tissue. If oil has come out in the tissue, then it means that you are an oily skin people. If your skin is combination, then only in the T zone you will have the oil. Rest of the things will be normal. Only in the T zone you will have the oil. Then you are like combination skin. Normal skin type people doesn't have any kind of this 4 types also. They'll not have any kind of problem in the skin. Those are called normal skin type. So what is the procedure for the skins now? Now you understood how to know your skin type. Now you should understand what are the basic steps to prepare your skin. For all the 5 steps, the basic step is cleansing. The basic step for all the 5 skin types is cleansing. Now what is this cleansing? Cleansing is cleaning your face, whether with the wet wipes, whether with a soap, whether with a face wash, whatever you clean your face, it is called cleansing. You can use either any kind of like soap or something before doing makeup, or you can use a Himalaya baby wet wipes or whatever it is to clean your face. Once you are done with cleaning your face, now the next step for dry skin people is they should use aloe vera gel. Not only before makeup, they should use aloe vera gel in the morning after cleaning the face while going to before going to bed. Because if they are maintaining the skin for another days when they are doing makeup, then only the makeup also gives the that outcome for them. So to start with, what they have to do is they should use the aloe vera gel before doing a makeup. After cleansing the face, aloe vera gel, applying aloe vera gel all over the face. Then what they have to do is they should apply a moisturizer, which is double time hydration, which gives double time hydration, like Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel. That gives you double time hydration. That moisturizer is very good moisturizer. I'll just link that below, that what are all the products which dry skin people can use as a moisturizer. Okay, I'll list down it below. Now when it comes to the next step, primer is very important. What is primer? Primer gives you a skin, the layer between your skin and your makeup, so that the makeup shouldn't get absorb inside the skin and it shouldn't create any problems. And also primer makes your skin, the makeup, very long lasting. So the primers, the dry skin people should use such kind of primers which are in the liquid gel form, that kind of primers, like Makeup Studio, like Color Bar, the LA Girl and everything. I'll mention that below that also. And the dry skin people should use that kind of primers, and they should all the procedure to apply and everything will be going step by step. Okay, so now this is the dry skin procedure. Same, this one continues for the sensitive skin also. The you should take such kind of this one, the products which is like this one, doing a wonders on your face. I'll list down the products, just use and see once. It can just match your, it can just suit your skin. Okay, when it comes to next, oily skin is nothing but, for oily skin you have to clean your face, cleanse your face. First step was that. Now second step for them is moisturizer. What kind of moisturizer they should use? They should use thick kind of moisturizer, like cream based, like Faces Canada moisturizer, like Nivea moisturizer, which are in the cream based. I'll be mentioning that below, some moisturizer. You can go through that. Oily skin people should use that kind of moisturizer. And when it comes to the the oily skin, first they should do cleansing, then they should do toning. Toning is a very important part in this. Toner is like Plum toner you can use any kind of toner from other brands also. I'll be mentioning all the brands below. You can take a toner with the help of a cotton and you can dab all over your face the toner, so that it can close your pores and the oil and the sweat shouldn't come out of your skin. It shouldn't spoil your makeup. So you should use a toner for whole your skin. Then first is cleansing, then it is toning for the oily skin people. Third comes the primer. As I said, it should be the cream based. It should be like what I have said, it is like that. And when it comes to the moisturizer, then we have completed. Okay, then this was the step after the primer. It is like preparing the skin is done. Same continues for the combination skin also. For the combination skin also, what you can do is this T-zone, you can use such kind of primers which are thick in cream format, like Pore Professional Primer. In Benefit Cosmetics also you'll get such kind of primers which are in the cream based. Wherever they feel that there are pores in the areas, they can use the combination skin type people, they can use the normal after like doing cleansing, toning, after doing toning they can go for the primer, I mean moisturizing. After moisturizing they can go with the primers which are in the cream based format. Okay, this was for the combination skin. Now normal skin type people can either go for this or for that, they can use any in that. What they have to like, but sometimes even those people can face some kind of like problem issue in the makeup. Why they face it because even there are some kind of like product is not suiting for their face. So make sure that the products whatever you are using, that is like suiting your face. Okay, for today's lesson this was the topics that we covered about the skin types. Now let me know in comments that what is your skin type. Just feel your skin and let me know in the comments that this is my skin type and what is the procedure for your skin type. Just go through that procedure and make a notes of everything. At day 2 will be like meeting again in the day 2 class with lot many this one knowledge and everything. I'll be like going step by step that you can understand each and everything, and from basic to professional you can become a this one makeup artist. So just stay connected with me. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and just like the video. If you like the video, it will just motivate me to make more and more videos and to make and to give the knowledge more. So comment below and like my video, stay connected with me and make a notes of that. In previous video I've mentioned what are the details. The people who are not in my WhatsApp group of YouTube, they can contact me, they can be in my WhatsApp group also. Will be updating each and everything in that also. And once in a week I'll be coming live on my Instagram channel to just clear all your doubts. It is nothing that only I'm just posting here and we are having the interaction. No, there also will have a live interaction in which I'll be solving all your problems, doubt related to makeup. So stay tuned, stay connected, stay safe at home. Thank you, bye bye, take care.